Hi traders, welcome to episode 60 of Trading Talk. My name's Matt, I'm one of the junior traders here on the desk. In this episode I make some improvements and some enhancements to last week's daily breakout model. So I've been able to test it on a wide variety of products, put it into our proprietary tool EA Analyzer, and then also make some suggestions on how we can add to it even further. Also want to discuss the International Trading Championship. One of our members actually won the first sprint competition. Kudos to Siang from Malaysia, who actually won the first sprint competition. For anyone who doesn't know, Sprint 2 is now live, so that started on the 1st of June. Anyone that isn't already in it and is trading, why are you not actually in the competition? You've got a chance of winning some awesome prizes that Xiang has actually been able to do. And as well, for those who aren't interested in the sprint, there's a longer term marathon for those with a longer term of trading style. Algo Trading Conference, we're close to selling out. Dr. Tom Stark, Kevin Davey and Ellie Garley are the three world-class speakers that we're having down at the Sofitel in Melbourne. So the systems are actually on the website. Of course not the full system just yet, but details of it. That's at algotradingconference.com for those who haven't already been there. Want to wrap up this short video by saying anyone who isn't already a member of TradeView, please click on the link below, join the intermediate workshop, and let's actually get some awesome results together and build and develop some killer systems. That's all, and bye for now.